All right, today we got a toothbrush. I actually started opening this. This was a Christmas gift for myself, but I figured let me open it up and tell you guys about this one because this is specifically the one I wanted. This is the Phillips Sonicare 4500 Protective Clean. You can see some of the features, but I'll talk about that in this video. Let me open it up. I've had these Phillips Sonicare toothbrushes now for like, I don't know how long, 10, 15 years. This is my third one now. They do break over time. I had my last one for about 7 years before it broke, and great toothbrushes if you're looking for a better clean than a standard toothbrush. So inside the box, you get this right here. This is your carrying case, so if you are going to travel or anything like that, you get that. Charging, I guess, dock. And this is very similar to the one I had. It doesn't have the angle anymore, so it's just like a straight circle. Okay, you also get a second brush. I hope it's a second brush. Actually, I think it only comes with one. The last one I got came with two, but there's your brush head. And then you have the toothbrush itself, or the electronic portion of the toothbrush. So going over the toothbrush modes, my old brush had two modes as well, and it was pretty much the same with the gum care. So you got the standard mode like that, and then if you press this button, it goes into the gum care mode like that. So I believe that it just goes longer. So it's like a 3-minute mode, whereas the standard is a 2-minute mode. So it'll just stay on for 2 minutes. Now, like I said, I've had about 3 of these toothbrushes. And the reason why I go with these toothbrushes over the standard or even some of the other electric toothbrushes is this one gives you that pulse effect. It's called the Sonicare. I guess that's the name of what it's doing. It's almost like pulsing and vibrating in your mouth. Like it feels like it's just removing more. And I really like them. I've been 20 years free without any cavities. I can't say it's because of this. Could be genetic. I don't know. But that's a long time. And I've been using these brushes for the last, I'd say, 10 years. There's probably better. There's different variations of this one that you can get. I just grabbed this one because it was cheap and I needed a replacement. One thing that I've noticed while I use these, just to give you guys some information, is when you clean them, they are waterproof. So get the water in there, in these holes, get all that toothpaste and everything off there. You want to get it all off here. You don't want to damage this rubber seal right here. This is what went on all of my brushes. So over time, this seal, especially if you leave toothpaste and stuff on it, it gets hard. And once it gets hard, this thing's going to vibrate all around and it's broken and you pretty much need a new one. So keep that in mind if you are planning to get this one or any Sonicare brush. Clean them after every use. You can get water here. You can get water here as well. It's waterproof, so you're good to go. I mean, I always, even though it says waterproof, I don't really try to get water here. I mean, there's no reason to, but I do clean here and here. Just grab a piece of toilet paper, kind of give it a gentle rub with water. Nothing too hard. You don't want to really bug this seal. And you should be good to go. Now this one in particular, the 4500, it has the pressure sensor, so it can tell when you're pressing too hard and things like that. 2 brush modes, which we talked about. The brush head replacement reminder, you can set that up so it reminds you when you need a new brush. Right here, you'll see it in yellow. Time to get a new brush. And then you also have a 14-day lithium-ion battery life, so about 14 days. Not going to be perfect. Waterproof, travel case, safe and gentle, and a 2-year warranty. So you're good to go for 2 years. And it's what I'm using. So like I said, if you're in the market for a toothbrush, I got this for Christmas. I asked for it. I needed a new one. This is the one I got. Check it out for yourself. If you have questions, feel free to ask.